I'm Blake Meaux with Meaux Muscle Cars. I'm about to do the Habanero Challenge with Woodlands Monocle. It's getting hot, y'all.
Wait just a minute.
Yeah. Want a drink?
That glass of milk ain't enough.
Yeah, you just got one glass?
Yeah. They're freaking hot as fire, but I'm gonna make it through this.
Hold your hand up.
I'm from Louisiana originally, so I knew I could do this, but I'm dying. Come on, Santa Claus.
Raimundo.
Where's the other peppers?
Did you eat all of them?
Yep.
How many were in there?
50. Damn, guys, it's really burning.
It can't be that bad.
It's bad. We build one-off hot rods, like this one behind us, and all these other ones over here, and these are all the guys that do it. And yeah, we can pretty much work on any muscle car and classic car that's out there. We do anything from full restorations to minor repairs. And everything in between. Man, this is really hot. Oh my god.
Listen to the kids. Maybe that'll help.
I heard that if you eat sugar with them, it helps. I'm crying.
Rub the face, rub the eyes. Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
I think I need more milk. I now hold the record for the most habaneros for the Woodlands Monocle at 6, and I could have eaten more, but I'm glad I did it. Man, I'm freaking dying though.
Is it worth it?
Was it worth it for these guys? Yeah, absolutely. Woodlands Monocle's great. And for their entertainment, they're all great too. You have a tissue?